ऐसे हो कैसे भी हो करवा ही लेते हैं और कमाल का करवाते हैं। रेमो सर के लिए जोरदार। नहीं खोज क्या मतलब साथ में देव साइंड हिम एंड इनका तगड़ा पोटेंशियल देख के मिस्टर भूषण कुमार इज अ फैन, दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड। यहां पे बुलाना चाहूंगा द वन एंड ओनली लिरिसिस्ट म्यूजिशियन एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी बोल लेते हैं, सीगाल साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। तोड़-फोड़ सेंसेशंस हैं इसमें एंड उनमें से एक वो है जो कि असली में हीरो है। डेब्यू किया और ऐसा डेब्यू किया कि सारे अवार्ड फंक्शंस पे सारे अवार्ड्स इनके ऊपर बरस पड़े। ही इज द वन एंड ओनली उगता सूरज पंचो। अच्छा कौन था ये? है ना एकदम मैंने कहा ठीक है ऐसे निकल जाए तो बाद में हम लोग जी हु सेड दैट कौन किसको याद था? जैकलिन इज लाइक कौन बोला? सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन क्या बोलूं तारीफ में शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे। द वन एंड ओनली जैकलिन। एंड वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज टी सीरीज से मिस्टर विनोद भानुशाली, उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यहां पे प्लीज। थैंक यू विनोद जी, अजय सर थैंक यू। भूषण सर सबसे पहले आई हैव अ सवाल फॉर यू, जो हम बात कर रहे थे यहाँ पे अभी कि प्लीज इट्स अ वेरी ब्रेव एफर्ट यू नो, इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक और सिंगल्स के साथ इसको वापस आप एरा को लेके आए टी सीरीज के साथ। हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज इट, मतलब वो जिम्मेदारी अपने कंधे पे लेके चल रहे हैं आप?
See, initially, when I started this, was not making any commercial sense. But मुझे बहुत टाइम से था because when I started the music business, जब मैंने खुद take over किया था, that time music, pop, non-film music was very big. So उस टाइम हमने बहुत non-film music किया था, तो I used to miss that क्योंकि music is music. But today it was differentiated between like Bollywood music है तो अच्छा है, otherwise non-film music है तो it is not music. So I wanted to change that. तो उस चीज़ के लिए and this gives platform to the singers like Rinder. So yeah, and Jacqueline too, right? So that's why I started it, and now it is making commercial sense also to me, and we are doing lot of singles, and one single which you rightly mentioned, Dheere Dheere, has crossed even a Bollywood song. So that's a very big achievement, and now we have a target with GFBFs. Let's hope this
टारगेट शायद आप लोगों को होता है ब्रेक द इंटरनेट, है ना, हैशटैग ब्रेक द इंटरनेट, और है ना इसके साथ भी ऐसे होने वाला है GFBF के साथ। रेमो सर है ना कमाल कर गए, मैजिक हमने देखा डायरेक्शन में, डांस में। मुझे बोले डिफिकल्ट कौन था नचाना ज्यादा, जैकलिन को या सूरज को?
इनफैक्ट दोनों को नहीं था।
ना
इसके लिए ज्यादा था, बहुत ज्यादा। दोनों आई थिंक दोनों बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, आपने देख लिया है। जैकी के साथ पहले काम कर चुका हूँ, मेरी फिल्म की हीरोइन भी है, तो मैं जानता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं। सूरज के साथ मैं पहली बार कर रहा था, लेकिन रिहर्सल जैसे मैंने देखा एंड अमेजिंग। और मैं स्पेशली ये बोलूँ कि ये नॉर्मल जो अब तक डांस आता आया है हमारे बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में और वीडियोस में अब तक आया है, इससे सबसे अलग है। ये पहली बार ये जो स्वैग स्टाइल है जो हमारे 13.13 करते हैं, वो स्टाइल पहली बार स्क्रीन पे आया। तो उसके लिए दिखता बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल डांस है ये। तो वो इन दोनों ने बहुत खूबी से किया है, एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम एक्चुअली।
सुपर्ब। सीगाल साहब की गाल है एकदम ऐसा, मतलब मुंबईलीवुड में बॉलीवुड में स्वागत हुआ है, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? इतना प्यार।
I'll thank my godfather for this. I thank Bhushan ji for this. I thank Jacqueline and Suraj Paji for this. I thank my bhabhi there, you know, and my brother Suryapaji, and thank you so much. It's an honor. It's an honor to be part of this family. Bollywood is a dream, and I think just because of you, sir, the dream has come true.
And you've done a fantabulous job. मतलब हमने देखा and we all loved it. सूरज, this one's for you. मुझे बोले लास्ट में गाड़ी में बैठा ही लिया and I'll be your GF, वो सब हो गया, तो कहीं घुमाने ले गई थी या ओके काट चल भाई घर जा, मैं भी घर जाती हूँ.
गाड़ी तो भूषण सर घर लेके चले गए.
अच्छा. जी हाँ, गाड़ी कहाँ गई आप सबको पता लगा. तो how was it? Yeah?
It was fun. It was really fun working with Remo sir, working with Jacqueline, and it's my first ever music video, and it's something for the first time that I'm doing something outside Hero, or outside the promotions of Hero, outside, you know. So it was a good change for me, and it was tough. Like he said, it looks easy, but it's tough because I was dancing with 13.13, and they are one of the best in this country, and I think they've gone for the world championship right now, so they're really good.
Right. Jacqueline, ज़्यादा difficult था क्या था? रेमो सर के instructions follow करके dance करना या गाना? And whose idea was it? कि मेरे को गाना है.
Hello.
No. I'll tell you the truth.
I actually don't know what happened. I just remember walking into a meeting with Bhushan and Remo, Gurinder, and all of a sudden we were discussing, okay, looks and what we're gonna do and how, what's the the choreography and what's the script, and then I don't know what happened there.
The quietest guy sitting there.
There was no female vocals.
The mastermind is always quiet.
There was no female vocals.
Okay.
And then.
पहले गाने का नाम था सिर्फ GF.
Oh, you were also there at that meeting.
अभी because she's singing, so ये बन गया GFBF. Okay. We've changed all the hashtags also on Instagram and all of that.
I'll tell you. Still the question is not answered yet. So ये idea कहाँ से आया?
Please.
I was in London and I was completing the song and I get a call in the middle of the night from sir and says, Gurinder यार कोई female voice डाल इसमें. And I said, okay, deal. I have a condition. I said, can Jacqueline sing? Okay, bye.
आगे क्या हुआ?
And then I get a call from Jacqueline. Hi, I got your number from Bhushan ji. A guy, age 26, gets a call from Jacqueline. Probably faints at the moment, but hey, I managed
Oh,
it.
my goodness.
तो गाना ना छोड़ के बोलता हाँ ठीक है हाँ बोलो ना कहाँ मिल रहे हैं गाना
You
बाद में
sounded
करेंगे.
so cool. You sounded like, yeah, I'll come down, we'll teach you a bit about singing and everything. He played it totally cool. Yeah.
भूषण जी कहाँ से आइडिया क्या था ये?
You have to sing the line.
Yes, of course. They'll dance also. एक step तो बनता है.
And then Suraj will dance the entire choreography he just
ठीक है,
did.
we'll do that. So you'll have to sing one line. उसके बाद we'll have एक बहुत special step from this video.
Okay.
Yeah.
जाऊं जहां तू है वहां पीछे पड़ा है क्यों बंदा तू अच्छा है handsome भी लगता है don't know if I need you.
असली है बॉस.
That was actually it.
है ना बिल्कुल असली है. ओके बिल्कुल सेम है. सो विथ योर काइंड परमिशन भूषण सर एक यहाँ पे सरप्राइज है हर किसी के लिए जो इतने स्पेशल लोग आए हैं. एक स्टेप करेंगे ये दोनों. रेमो सर यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं. अंशिगल साहब आप भी ज्वाइन करेंगे. सो कैन वी हैव द म्यूजिक बिफोर द क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड? हाँ कैन वी डू दिस? कैन वी हैव द म्यूजिक? Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
That was amazing.
Superb. That was
cool.
cool.
That was swag. That was
And-
swag.
हाँ, that was yeah.
Swag.
Everybody's
Swag, and
gonna
he
say.
remembers everything.
He remembered everything.
Wow.
Can you do my steps also? He was that good.
They're like हाँ कैसे क्या करेंगे. सिगाल साहब मुझे बोले इससे पहले टी सीरीज ने इतने सारे गाने दिए धीरे धीरे उसमें मन किया था मैं घुस जाऊं और ऋतिक की जगह कुछ करता
मैं
नजर आऊं.
बहुत ढीठ आदमी हूँ.
धीरे धीरे घुसी गए.
धीरे धीरे घुसी गई.
हाँ was it the main reason कि लगा कि करते हैं.
As I said, here is the reason. Right next to me.
रेमो सर एकदम मतलब ऐसा ब्लेम ब्लूम कर दिया. मुझे याद आ रहा है बहुत सारे रियलिटी शोज में आपको हमने देखा है कुछ लोग आते हैं आपको पप्पियां झप्पियां देते हैं वो तो नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लेकिन यहाँ पे सबकी तरफ से थैंक यू बोलेंगे. यू डन अ वंडरफुल जॉब यहाँ पे. एंड इसके बाद सर सिंगल्स ही करेंगे बिकॉज आई एम श्योर भूषण जी आपको हर
No,
single के लिए
actually,
बोलने
he's
वाले.
signing me for a film.
Another very big announcement यहाँ पे है ना. So
No,
yeah.
no, singles of course मैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है एज अ जिस थिंग मैं सबसे पहले कोरियोग्राफर हूँ उसके बाद डायरेक्टर हूँ. तो जब भी कोई गाना मिलता है मुझे बहुत अच्छा जैसे ये वाला गाना मुझे याद है पहली बार जब मैंने सुना था गाना मैंने बोला था कि ये गाना तो डेफिनेटली होगा.
होगा.
हाँ
जरूर से
definitely
होगा.
जरूर से होगा. कैसे होगा क्या होगा वो बाद में देखा जाए लेकिन ये गाना अभी मेरा है.
Okay,
देन वी
बिल्कुल.
मेट भूषण जी एंड भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये तो सुपर्ब है.
Do
Then
it.
लेकिन उससे पहले इस गाने के साथ हैशटैग ब्रेक द इंटरनेट कर लेते हैं. एंड नाउ इट्स ओवर टू योर सवाल जवाब. डोंट वरी वील हैव दैट स्टेप. ये मेरी गारंटी है यहाँ पे. सो ओवर टू द मीडिया. जी हो जाए.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations for the video. It's fabulous.
Thank you.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हमने आज पढ़ा है कि आप दोनों के बीच में झगड़े होते थे फॉर द फरारी और भूषण जी ने कहा कि जो उन्हें
तीनों।
इम्प्रेस कर तीनों ओके तो जो उन्हें ज्यादा इम्प्रेस करेगा वो फरारी लेके जाएगा. तो आखिर में भूषण जी आप भी बताइए कि फरारी आपकी कौन लेके जा रहा है.
Hi. How are you?
मैं-
So nice to be sitting next to you.
Remo ले गया
You know,
actually.
like-
Remo
देखो,
took
हाँ,
it.
actually वो
Hey,
या सी
when did that happen?
थैंक यू भूषण जी. थैंक यू
that's
वेरी
not
मच. आपने
fair.
इतने लोगों के सामने मुझे
That's
फरारी
not
गिफ्ट की है. थैंक यू
fair.
सो मच.
That's not fair. It's okay. Just sign us for another movie. It'll be like this fun circle. So it went to Remo.
जी नेक्स्ट सवाल.
ओके सूरज एंड जैकलीन जीएफ और बीएफ में क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए.
For me, I think a BF needs to he needs to be loyal. That's I think a very important quality.
एंड सूरज व्हाट अबाउट यू.
वीडियो देख लो फिर से.
Someone hot? Loyalty.
A girl should be simple and from she should just have a good heart and she should be smart. Doesn't really always have to be pretty. Just a good person. That's it.
ओके थैंक यू. जैकलीन जिस तरह इस वीडियो में रियल लाइफ में सूरज ने आपको इम्प्रेस किया है डांस करके ऐसे रियल लाइफ में आपको किसी ने अपने डांस और स्वैग से इम्प्रेस किया है.
No, I don't think so. I'd be able to do that. First of all, that dancing took a lot of rehearsals, and specifically for that song. But I mean, we based the story around this guy trying to impress a girl, and he didn't know what else to impress her with but his dance. But at the end of the day, and you saw towards the end of the song, it wasn't that was winning her over. It was, she made a decision based other than the fact that he was dancing for her. So for me, I think there are other important qualities as well which you need to show a person that you have a crush on or that you're pursuing. I don't know if I'd be able to win someone over by dancing though. Like I'm not as good as Suraj.
Yes. Yes.
आप हमेशा अपने डांसिंग स्किल को लेकर हमेशा सोचते हैं कि आप अच्छे डांसर नहीं है बट इस वीडियो के बाद अपना ओपिनियन चेंज करेंगे डांसिंग को लेकर.
क्योंकि मैंने इसके पहले कभी डांस किया नहीं था. I've learned action. That's about it. But I've never tried dancing in school or I never did stage shows, nothing. So I don't think that I'm a good dancer. I'm not bad, but Remo sir here is making me better. I hope to work with him more so that I can say one day that okay, chalo, I'm a good dancer. That day will come. That day will come.
जब आपको पता चला that you have to sing in this album, so what was your reaction and what actually how you prepared yourself for that?
Well, first of all, Bhushan didn't really give me a choice. He just said, "Hey, you're singing in this song." So I was like, "Okay." But I was actually quite excited that I was getting this opportunity from Remo. I was getting this opportunity from Bhushan. I had someone like Gurinder to work with. Who. Like he came on our houseful, 3 sets, and we sat in the vanity, and I was just like, okay, listen, I've never sang before. My dad's right here, though. Actually, he's a DJ, and so I've grown up with a lot of music in the house and with a musical ear, but I've never sang. I've never attempted to. So this was a really, really amazing opportunity for me to be able to kind of explore it, and I think that's the most amazing thing about. Us here in the Hindi film industry is that as actors we get to explore so many different things. We get to explore dance, we get to explore singing, we get to explore so many things. So I took it up, and I'm so glad I did. I hope you guys are glad I did. But we worked hard on it. Gurinder, I know, worked very hard on it. We sat in the studio and we really belted it out, and he sang with me, and Bhushan also, he sang with me, and he loves to sing. And it was more than anything, it was fun. And I think that's what's important. This whole entire music video was an opportunity to kind of just all of us get together, create a great team and a great energy and have fun. And I think that's what we did.
सूरज, आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री ऑन स्क्रीन तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है इस वीडियो में. इन फ्यूचर कैन वी सी यू बोथ वर्किंग टुगेदर?
I hope. Yes,
I hope
of
so
course.
too. We had a great time working together.
Jacqueline is fun to work with. She never made me feel like she's my senior. But of course I want to work with her. Hopefully soon.
जैकलीन, सूरज के साथ एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपका काम करने का?
Me?
Yep.
Oh, I mean, it was amazing. Suraj was, first of all, he rehearsed a lot with me. So we used to go to Remo's studio and we used to do our rehearsals, which is great because then you have someone who's prepared and ready when the shoot time comes. So he was prepared, he was ready. We did our rehearsals together, and he worked really hard. It's really important that the people that you work with have a really nice positive vibe around them, and they can have a good time, especially with something like a music video where the atmosphere needs to be good. And we were able to work till 6 in the morning one night, one entire day, and we didn't even feel it. I mean, towards the end of it, we were all happy and taking pictures and stuff, and so he brought that with him as well. And he was kind of able to bring that to the team, and it was teamwork, and that's what he has a great quality. So yeah, it was fantastic. I couldn't, for the fact that you've just done one movie, it was really commendable. I mean, working with Remo is not easy. So as in, it's difficult stuff. So, but he really kind of brought his game on and brought his swag, and it was amazing to work with.
And since we are talking about GF PF, बॉलीवुड का आइडियल GF और आइडियल BF आपके हिसाब से कौन है?
A couple, but none of them are really out. So tricky one first answer.
आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है, एक आइडियल गर्लफ्रेंड और आइडियल बॉयफ्रेंड कौन है?
You're going first. Wait, that we would date or that are dating?
आपके हिसाब से लगता है he is the perfect girlfriend material, he is the perfect boyfriend material?
Oh, interesting. Gurinder, what do you think? You're the perfect, but you're
Just take my name. Let it be a breaking news.
but you're not Bollywood yet.
Doesn't matter. Bhushan ji has signed me. What more do you want?
All right, thank you so much. I'm sorry.
We avoided that one.
But जाते एक आखिरी चीज, भूषण सर, एवरग्रीन हिट्स इतने सारे दिए हैं, टी सीरीज का नाम इसके लिए जाना जाता है. कोई एक सिंगल जो तब से लेके अब तक आपके जहन में रह गया और बहुत ऐसा समथिंग रियली क्लोज टू योर हार्ट?
It's my first album song. अब मुझे रात दिन तुम्हारा ही ख्याल है from दीवाना.
All right, that's your song, right?
So you guys were supposed to come together for a dance track in Hero, which eventually did not happen. So when you guys were told that you guys are paired in the song, what were your first reactions?
Well, I was quite excited because even when I was approached for the song in Hero, I was excited to be part of that song and to work with Suraj. And then when that didn't happen, I was like a little bit disappointed. But these things happen anyway. So it was cool. Like I just...
It was meant to be.
He was meant to be, Suraj. We were meant to do a song together.
जैकलीन आपको ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपको अपने BF मिल गए, लेकिन there are reports that in real life also you have got your boyfriend. So we just wanted to get a confirmation from your end.
This is my dad's
उनके
okay?
daddy बैठे
अंकल देंगे जवाब इसका.
Question is
This
for?
question is for Remo sir.
Yeah.
Remo sir, Suraj told me in his interview that his biggest struggle is to dance. So how hard it was to make him dance, sir? I just wanted to know this.
It was not that hard actually for me.
Can he become a good dancer?
Maybe I think he was in the rehearsal hall and maybe he was struggling for this thing, but I never saw that. Whenever I used to go there to see the final product, I mean, he used to give me all 100% on this thing. So he was good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.